Welcome in 3rd standard Environmental Studies class. Myself Swati Kadam, working in Kekewag English School, Saraswati Nagar, Nasik. Students, first of all tell me, what is this? Yes, correct. It is a model of house. So students, this house, we love our house very much. Though our house is very small, very big or medium size, but then also we all love our house too much. So this house will protect us from various things. For example, whenever the outside rain is there, so on that time, what we are doing? We avoid to go outside. We stay at home only. Whenever the cold weather is there, on that time also, we don't go outside. We avoid to go outside. We just stay at our house. We cover our body with the blanket. And we feel very safe inside at our house. Whenever the hot sun is there outside, on that time also, whenever we have too much need, on that time also, only we go outside. So in this way, it means that our house, our home, protect us from every danger thing. So this house is also called a shelter. So about these shelters, we are going to take the more information from our 3rd number chapter, that is the animal shelter. Students, shelter means a thing or a place where one gets protected from any danger. A person also gets protected from rain, sun and gusty winds. So that's called the shelter. So here this house is also protect us from the gusty winds. Gusty winds means very strong winds. Then after scorching sun means very hot sun. And after very heavy rainfall. So from all these things, our house, our home protect us. Even though students like us, the animals also need of home. Many animals build their shelter themselves. But some animals find their shelter at some places in our surrounding, from our environment. So now we will see that some animals build their shelter themselves. First of all, I want to show you one thing. What is this? Yes, correct. It's a nest. It's a nest of bird. So students, like birds, many animals build their shelter themselves. So this shelter we call the nest. So you can see that the animals build their nest with the help of straws, twigs, then after some grass. Here you can see the dry grass also. With the help of dry grass, straws, twigs, the animals build their shelter. Students, animals are afraid from some animals which eat their eggs. For example, snake. So this type of animals eat their eggs, even though their young ones also. And their young ones are too weak to defend themselves. Therefore, they build a nest. In their nest, their young ones and their eggs can be very safe inside. They can also use the cotton, wool or thread or string also. So these things make their nest very warm and soft from inside. So with the help of these things, the birds build their nest and they lay their eggs or young ones inside that nest. So now next, you can see here, it's a nest of weaver bird. Which bird? Weaver bird. Yes, students observe this nest. So you can find that the weaver bird select the convenient place to build their nest. Which type of convenient place they find out? So see students, the weaver bird build their nest on the highest branches of the tree. Means the branch which is very at the high side, on that side they build their nest. They also find that the tree which they build, which they want to young ones, that animal should not reach up to their nest. So because of all these things, they choose the convenient place to build their nest. So this is the nest of the weaver bird. So like the weaver bird, there is again another bird is there, that's called the tailor bird. Students, tailor bird is smaller than the sparrow. Tailor bird also stitch its nest on the tree. But what he is doing? He choose a tree which have the long leaves. And what he is doing? He fold his leaves and stitch it with the tendril of that leaf or the tendril of that plant. And with the tendril of that plant, he stitch the leaf of that plant, and inside that he put the cotton or grass to make a warm or soft to that nest. And it is very small bird, therefore it can be stay inside and it will be the shelter for them. So like this, the tailor bird built its nest and we choose the convenient place for it. Then after we can see that honeycomb. Students, here is the picture of honeycomb, honey hive. So students, in this honey hive, the honeybee lives. They make the honeycomb inside of this honey hive, and inside of that honeycomb, they store their honey also, and they use this honeycomb as their shelter. It means that the nest of all birds are not alike. Every bird build their nest according to their skill. The nest of every bird is different. So from these things we come to know that all birds are build their nest from their skill. With the help of their skill they build their nest, and all nests are not alike. So up to this topic we have seen in this video, and we will take the next topic. We will see the next topic in our next video. Up to that, do your study properly, read the lesson carefully. Thank you.